Hello viewers, grace and peace be multiplied unto you. Welcome to this week mathematics lesson. And this week we are going to talk about data. Now previous weeks we talked about measurement of time. We talked about the calendar, we talked about the clock. This week we are going to talk about data. So our objective for today is gather and record data. Use tally charts to collect and organize data. So by the end of this lesson, people should be able to gather and record data and then be able to use tally charts to collect and organize data. And our keywords are data, tally, and then chart. Data, tally, and chart. Now, what is data? Data is a collection of facts relating to people or things. Data is a collection of facts relating to people or things. You can gather data or collect data by asking questions, asking people questions. Now, the responses that you get, that's from data. So you can ask your friends about their favorite games or favorite color. Now, the response that they will give to you, you gather your data. So we have some example here. The circles on the ovals on the board are pebbles, and it's talking about a class that some kids brought pebbles and they brought their favorite ones. Some brought black, some brought blue pebbles. Now, this is the data of the pebbles that they brought. Now, we are supposed to look for the black pebbles, look for the blue pebbles. How many pebbles are black? So you count all the blacks, or you sort all the blacks out. That's how you get your black pebbles, or the number of pebbles that are black. So we are going to sort them out. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 black pebbles. We have 8 black pebbles. Now, how many blue pebbles are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the blue pebbles are what? 7. So the kids brought 8 black pebbles and then what? 7 blue pebbles. Now, how many pebbles are there all together? So you are supposed to count all the pebbles there, or you add the black pebble number and the blue pebble number. So we have 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 will give us how many? So let's count all the pebbles together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So the kids brought 15 pebbles to the class. Now, out of the 15 pebbles, how many pebbles, or which of the colors is more? Since black has 8 and blue has 7, then we say that the black pebbles are more than the blue pebbles. So whenever you are gathering or you are collecting data, you make sure that you get your overall number. Your number is supposed to, the overall number is supposed to tally with your numbers for each one that you sorted out. If you join them all together, you're supposed to get the overall. Now let's go to the next example. The data below is the fruit pupil in the class brought to school. So each child brought a fruit. So these are the fruits that were brought. We have apple, we have orange, we have were brought. So we are going to count the oranges and then write the number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the children brought 7 oranges. So we write our 7 here. How many watermelon were brought? So we have 1, 2. 2 watermelon. And then we go towards pineapple. The pineapples are 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 pineapples. And then how many apples to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children brought 5 apples. So 7 children brought oranges, 2 children brought watermelon, 3 brought pineapples, 5 brought apple. So now we count all the fruits together. How many fruits were brought, or how many children are in the class? So when you count all the fruits together, you'll be able to get the number of people in the class. So let's count them. Fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 fruits were brought by how many children? 17 children. So we calculate them. 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 will give us 17. So say what? Data is a collection of facts relating to people or things. So when you gather information about people or things, you gather what? Data. Now let's move to the next thing. That is tally chart. Tally chart. Now a tally is a stroke drawn to represent objects when collecting data. A tally is a stroke drawn to represent objects when collecting data. So whenever you are collecting data, you can use stroke to represent the object. Now, one stroke, this will give us what? One object. This one stroke will give us one object. 2 strokes, 2 objects. 3 objects. 4 objects. Now with the 5 you add the 1, but use the 1 stroke to cross the 4. Or the 4 stroke, then you get how many strokes? 5. So when you see this, it means that 5 strokes, not 4, but 5. The 1 is used to cross it. Now, here is the chart. We are going to use this chart. The same data that we collected, that's the fruit. We are going to use it for this chart. Now, the first fruit was what? Orange. So the oranges that the children brought were how many? 7. So we are supposed to write our 7 here for the tally to represent the object. So this is how you are supposed to write your 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7 order. So we write the number of 7. Now we go to the next fruit. The next fruit is what? Watermelon. How many watermelons are here? We say what? 2. So you write your 2. 1, 2. So our strokes are drawn, and then you write your number what? 2. We go to the next fruit. The next fruit is what? Pineapple. We come back to our data, and then we count the number of pineapples here. So we have what? 1, 2, 3. We draw our strokes. 3 pineapples, and the number is what? 3. Let's go to the last fruit, that is apple. And we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, The fifth stroke is used to cross the 4. You don't add the fifth stroke, but you use the fifth stroke to cross the 4. And we get our number what? 5. Then you calculate every stroke, or you calculate the number, you add all the numbers together, and then you get your final answer. That will give you the number of people in the class, or the number of children that brought the fruits in the class. So with the tallying, you use the strokes. So when you see a stroke in the chart, the strokes are used to represent objects when collecting data. So the strokes are what? Tally. The strokes are what? Tally. And I said that when you are drawing the stroke, the fifth one, you use it to cross the 4. You don't add it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. The fifth one, you use it to cross the 4 strokes. We go over our lesson. I said what? A data is a what? Collection of facts relating to people or things. So when you collect information, you gather information about people and things, you are doing what? Collecting data. Do you understand? And we get to sort them out. When you collect your data, you sort the things out. Those that goes together, you put them aside. The one that goes together, you put them aside. And then you gather them, organize them. After organizing them, you put them in a chart. That's how we get our tally chart to here. And you use the strokes to represent what? Objects when collecting what? Data. So I hope when you are given a work, you are given a data, or you are told to organize them or told to gather data, you'll be able to do it with the little information that has been given to you. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.